8 shortcut keys for selection and highlighting data in Excel. So let's start. The first, Ctrl+A, select the entire worksheet. So I select here the cell and press the Ctrl+A. You can see the here select the entire worksheet. Okay. Second shortcut key, Ctrl+Space, select the entire column. So I select here the one cell and press the Ctrl+Space to select the entire column. Okay. Third shortcut keys, Shift+Space, to select entire row. So I select the one cell and press the Shift+Space, okay, to select entire row. Fourth shortcut keys, Shift+Arrow key. So extend the selection by one cell. So when you press the Shift and press the arrow key, it's extend the selection by one cell. Okay, up arrow, down arrow, okay, right, left. So you can extend the selection. Next shortcut key, Ctrl+Shift+Arrow key. Select one cell and press the Ctrl+Shift+Arrow key. Okay, extend the selection to the edge of the data. So here suppose I select the first cell and then I pressed Ctrl+Shift+Arrow key. You can see the extends the selection to the edge of the data. I just click here the one time arrow key. Okay, the entire column, data column, is selected. Next shortcut key, Ctrl+Shift+Space, select the entire table. Here I select the one cell only, then I press Ctrl+Shift+Space. You can see the entire table is selected. Next shortcut key, Shift+Ctrl+N, extend the selection to the last used cell. Suppose I select the first cell here, then I press the Shift+Ctrl+N key. You can see extend the selection the last used cell. Again I select here the first cell, again I show you Shift+Ctrl+N key. Okay, so this is a way selection is going. Next shortcut key, Shift+Ctrl+Home, select from the active cell to the first cell in the worksheet. Suppose I select this last cell, now I press Shift+Ctrl+Home. Okay, you can see the select from the active cell to the first cell. Now I select this cell and same press Shift+Ctrl+Home. You can see select from the active cell to the first cell, not below cell. Okay, so up to first cell is A1, up to first cell is selected. Okay, so that's it. These are the shortcut key for selection and highlighting data in Excel. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.